Hello besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe down below. If you're a regular and returning subscriber, then welcome back bestie. If you haven't already, hit that bell button to be notified each time I upload a new video. So as you guys read by today's title, I am going to be cooking. I saw this recipe on TikTok. I saw an influencer named Akiva. She created this lasagna soup and it's mother freaking cold today, so I thought, why not do that cooking video with you guys today so we can learn together. So let me get the ingredients prepped and whatever, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so over here I've chopped up an onion. In here I am, what do you call this, like I put boiling water in the jug, and then I put the tomatoes in the jug so that like I can skin the tomatoes because I don't like the skin on the tomatoes. Either way, that's the only things that really needed prepping, I think. So let's do this guys, let's do this. Guys, don't look at the outfit. I for one cannot be dressing like a real housewife of Durban or of Cape Town at home. It's not realistic. This is what I need to get on. And this is Joshua's jacket. That's why it is so humongous, but it keeps me warm. So this will do. So just excuse it for now. You know, right? This is one gigantinormous onion that we are going to sizzle. So guys, to the onions, if I haven't mentioned, to the onions I've added garlic and herb butter. And now they're browning so lacquer, I'm going to add 500 grams of extra lean mince. Worcestershire sauce, if that's how you say it. If not, correct me, it's probably wrong, but who cares? But I'm going to use it to give it like a nice flavorful beefy flavor, and then also to not make it taste so meaty, because Joshua doesn't really like the taste of mince. He more so likes the taste of ostrich mince, but Checkers didn't have that, so I just got extra lean. Okay guys, so once the mince and the onions are browned and married each other, I'm going to add the 2 chopped up tomatoes and 50 grams of tomato paste. I'm going to add, I think those should be like equivalent to 2 cups of water and 2 beef blocks, because I did not have, what the heck is it called? Beef stock. So that is going to cook in there. Lovely. Then I'm going to put the lid on and allow that to cook for like 5 minutes. Then I'll get back to you guys. Guys, now you're going to add a cup of milk. I think in the video she used a cup of cream. Don't cry, baby. But I'm using milk. And then I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Is that load shedding? Really hard, guys, it's load shedding. The electricity just went off. And if you're wondering why the kitchen light stays on, because the kitchen light is on the inverter. Then I'm going to add a few sheets of pasta, but I'm going to break it up. I'm not sure how many sheets I'm going to add yet. I'm thinking of adding in blue cheese because Josh likes blue cheese. And now, guys, I'm going to leave it to cook for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm going to come check it. Would you believe it if I say that the food is basically done? Like, I put it to the side so that the kettle can boil due to load shedding, you know the vibes. But this is basically done. All I need to do before I forget is add a handful of cheese, and then it should be done. And then I think I'm going to make toast with garlic butter, because that is exactly how Kifa had hers. So I might just do the same. But she had, you know, the bougie garlic butter, garlic bread. I'm going to have keto bread and garlic butter. But I don't mind. I love garlic butter, so I normally have toast and garlic butter. So each to their own, you know. My daughter was getting tired of me. She went to her beddy. She wanted to sit by her mommy. But mommy's taking too long. She don't want to sit here. Either way, so I'm going to take a handful of cheese. This is cheddar cheese, by the way. I'm so excited. And Josh is basically going to be leaving work soon, because it is, let me tell you, it is basically 5 to 11. I don't know why everything I do is so late, but that is exactly what's happening here. If Josh was here, he'll tell you all about it. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I've toasted my bread, and then we'll dish up together. Thank you guys so much for basically cooking with me. This is like a FaceTime call, and I appreciate having the company. So I appreciate you guys clicking on this video and watching this. And yeah, if you found this recipe easy, definitely give it a try and let me know how it goes. Also, I actually enjoy doing this. I don't feel like I'm alone when I'm cooking. I don't know if I just mentioned this, but I really enjoy doing this. I really enjoy cooking, and I really enjoy cooking with you guys. So let me know if you guys are wanting to see more cooking videos and I'll gladly do some more. Not me trying to sound bougie. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If I don't do a taste test now, might as well close out the video.
Not a soup, they must rename it to a chowder. Lasagna chowder.
Okay.
Isn't cookie?
It is like a piece of pasta, was it?
This is just the soup, the chowder and the mince. If you Google it in the restaurant, they will tell you. Liquor. Tastes like a normal lasagna, but it's not in one piece, you know. And then there's the garlic toasty.
It's very crunchy.
Indulge you with the price. Liquor. Lasagna ready. Garlic bread is liquor, the toast with the garlic butter. Very liquor. Guys, man, yeah, man, having a full meal at 2:15 in the morning.
So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Love you guys. See you next time.